This is a moment that I've been waiting to have for almost 6 months. Do you know what it is? This is my YouTube Silver Award. I have over 500,000 subscribers on YouTube, but it is still precious and important for me. Oh, actually, there is no green screen behind me anymore. This is actually my bedroom, and this part is dedicated to YouTube videos. So anyway, let's get into it. So, ta-da! Oh my god. Honestly, I have opened this box before because I was super excited, but I'm gonna do that again. And this is something that I am super excited to show you guys. Ta-da! It's so beautiful and I love it. This is a mirror actually. I can check my makeup, my hair in it. I'm on cloud 9, honestly. I have worked many days and nights to be at the place that I am right now. So when I look at the Silver Award, I feel like I did it. And this is one of the most beautiful feelings that you can ever experience in your life. Let me put it here. What do you think? Hold on. It's great. Perfect. Let me close this. Let me tell you 2 funny facts about this Silver Award. So, the first thing that I want to tell you about myself and my YouTube channel is that I had only 11 subscribers for almost 6 months. The first 6 months I had only 11 to 30 subscribers, that's it. But I didn't give up. I woke up in the morning, I started making scenarios and YouTube videos. I still didn't have any subscribers. I don't know why, but a part of me knew that this is gonna happen. The second fact about myself and the Silver Award is that I had a picture of a Silver Award, I will put it right here, on my phone's lock screen's wallpaper for more than 5 months. When I got it, when I achieved it, I said, wow. I really want to thank you guys for all of your support. I know lots of you guys. Whenever I read your comments, I know who you are. Sometimes I ask myself, how can someone be so kind and nice to comment these beautiful messages? And the main reason I have created my Instagram account is that every time I read your comments, I really want to start talking to you, appreciate your kindness and get to know about you more. When you ask me something or when you comment too many lovely and beautiful messages, I do my best to answer all of them. Before we end this video, let me tell you why it took over 6 months to have this beautiful Silver Award in my bedroom. I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube on 21st of January. I ordered the Silver Award, but for some reasons that I have never figured out, it got sent back to the US, and it took a lot of time to know where my Silver Award is. At the end of the story, I ordered the Silver Award again, and now it's here, finally. And from now on, it's in the background of all of my YouTube videos. That's it. And also, you can follow me on Instagram. I will put the link in the description. We can chat and communicate more. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Have a nice day.